What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making air fryer cherry turnovers. This is a quick and easy dessert, so let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 4 puff pastry sheets and then cut each of those sheets into 4 squares, which will make 8 squares total, so 8 different turnovers. Then you want to take 1 egg and beat that egg along with 2 tablespoons of water. This will create an egg wash that will help roll up your puff pastry and create turnovers. So take a cooking brush or your fingers and graze that egg wash along each edge of the puff pastry sheets. Then you want to take 10 ounces of canned cherry pie filling and fill each of those pastry sheets with about 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons of that cherry filling. Then you want to seal that puff pastry diagonally to form a triangle. Take the edge of your fork and create wrinkles in that crust to seal the pastry. And then take a knife and make 3 slits at the top of each pastry. This will help vent those turnovers. It also makes them look really pretty. And take your egg wash and brush the top of each turnover. And then take those and throw them in the air fryer on 370 degrees for 8 minutes. And there you have it, crispy cherry turnovers.